What are Google programmers up to now? Did a search for Google. I did a search for Google. I did a search for Python list comprehension, and because I'm a tab snob and I like to have a million tabs open like I do right now, I just kind of did the search and then I moved on to another tab. I didn't even wait for the results to come back. So I move on. I watch some YouTube videos. I'm doing whatever. Pornhub. I mean, other stuff. And then I come back to the page and it's all crooked. I'm like, what is this? Look at the whole thing. Look at the top bar and the bottom. It's like it's been smashed, and then it reveals this thing. And I'm like, is Google actually talking to me? Is it because I've been making fun of them? Is this like a setup or is this like an ad? But then Google doesn't normally. No, I'm not even sure. Like ads? I know Google does a lot of ads, but on the Google page, not here. I don't know. It just looks weird. It looks really, really suspect. So I'm like, what is going on here? I'm still not sure what this is. But don't show this again. No thanks. Why is there no thanks and a don't show me this again? So I guess this is like, this sucks. Don't ever do this again. No thanks is like, this is kind of cool, but I'm not interested right now. So maybe do it again. Me? I want to play. Holy smokes. What is happening right now, folks? Foobar with Google. What is this? I guess I just said what it is, didn't I? It's foobar.withgoogle.com. That's what it is. What is this? Welcome to Foobar version 1328. Google has a code challenge ready for you. Success! You managed to infiltrate Commander Lambda's evil organization and finally earned yourself an entry-level position as a minion on her space station. From here, you just might be able to subvert her plan to use Lamb Chop, Doomsday device, to destroy Bunny Planet. Problem is, my minions are the lowest of the low in the Lambda. Better buck up and get working or you'll never make it to the top. Warning, your invitation may expire if you leave this page. Sign in to save progress and resume later. Is this legit? I don't know if this is like a hacking thing. No, I gotta actually do a real Google and see what this is. I'm not messing with this until I know this is legit. So let's Google Foobar. There's a medium.com. Things you should know about Google Foobar invitation. So you got Google's Foobar invitation. First of all, very, very congratulations on that. You should have known that this is not an ordinary invitation, but the special one that Google sends to only special type of developers. If you have not gotten an invitation yet, this article can be useful. Now we know Foobar is some weird invitation from Google, but what I want to talk about it. I'm a novice. Tell me details about Google Foobar. The secret hiring challenge. Google uses this to hire some of the best developers around the globe, which they think can be a good match for the organization. Many developers in Google have been hired through this hiring challenge. What? This is legit! Holy smokes, this is real. You only get the Google Foobar invitation if you are qualified enough to join the Google. And if you get the invitation and you are also completing the Foobar challenge, there must be something in you that Google needs. What? What is this? Holy smokes. So this is pretty interesting. I don't know if I have any skills required to pass any kind of coding test like this. Let's see. Google has a code challenge for you. My first coding challenge. There's multiple. So I guess I can save my progress. So this might be a good learning tool. Fool around with whatever they give me and then I can keep coming back to it. Let's go request. 48 hours to complete. Wow. Do you wish to proceed and start your first challenge? Okay, let's do it. Yes. Braille translation. Add it to your home folder. Time to solve it 48 hours. Look at the start. Open file. I guess I could cat the file. What? This stuff was here all along. It's the Braille directory. Wow, I'm doing very well. Stupendous right now. Solution, Java. Read me text. Holy moly. Because Commander Lambda is an equal opportunity despot, she has several visually impaired minions, intergalactic standards for workplace accomplishments. So these minions have a hard time navigating her space station. Figure printing out Braille signs will help them. A Braille program and not know any Braille. Alright folks, let me try to concentrate and see if I can actually build something here. I'm not feeling very optimistic right now, but I will see. But for those of you guys that are unaware of the context of this thing, I've been making fun of Google programmers. I mean, it's all lighthearted because of a lot of the crap we deal with their products. They create products, they disappear products, randomly. Google answers. There was a time where we could actually see the view history of any video we wanted to. So you saw a video that went viral, you could actually just go look at it, and there was an option where you could just see the graph and you could see at which point it went viral. Great for information purposes in terms of doing research about how videos go viral and things like that. But they removed it, just like many other things, and then just buggy applications and things like that. So again, lighthearted humor, just making fun of them. And I've made quite a few videos about that. It's kind of a little impromptu series. And then I actually just did a Python course, University of Michigan, and I'm about to start a couple more courses. One finance related, one statistics related. It's actually related to COVID-19, which I thought was interesting, being able to create a program that basically allows you to do analysis in terms of, so you see states that have high cases, what other things are true, and what patterns can you identify that will say, hey, one of the reasons why the cases are high is because of this, because wherever we see this, we also see high cases, so that type of thing, doing that kind of analysis. And I like doing analysis, so I figured, hey, it's definitely relevant to current times, and it's relevant to my personality. So I said, let's do that. So that's one of the courses I'm working on right now. Also a portfolio project, so course showing you how you can build a trading portfolio and doing risk analysis and all that good stuff. But anyway, so I've been doing a lot of heavy Python, watching everything, right? So I don't know. They're like, this guy's making fun of us, and now he dares to think that he's gonna become some kind of Python genius. Well, you think you're so good at Python that you're making fun of our programmers. Well, why don't you prove your worth by completing this code challenge? So they give me this code challenge, probably gonna be really difficult, so I can fail, and then they can say, maybe you should shut your trap and stop making fun of our programmers, right? Because you can't program, you can't do better, you suck. I don't know, that's just my theory. It could just be some random algorithm that is built into Google that looks for someone that's doing excessive amount of Python searches. And then they send the invitation. I don't know, guys. All I know is I'm gonna stop this video and try to see if I can actually do this. I only got 48 hours, so anyway, this is the Computer Programming University. Stay tuned for the results of this coding challenge. Will I pass? Will I fail? Will I pass or will I fail? Will I pass or will I fail? So you guys, I only got 4 hours of sleep last night. Anyway, I'm out. Click on the like button, subscribe, smash that bell, and comment below. Let me know what you think. Have you heard of this before? I've never heard of this before, but apparently it's a thing. I'm out.